Welcome to this video on skills to enhance your work-life experience. The topic under discussion is Kolb's learning cycle simplified. The reason we are viewing the simplified version of this model is to avoid any confusion that can be caused by terminology that is used in the original model. If you ever take the time to have a look at that model, you'll understand why. The simplified Kolb learning cycle creates a structured framework to consciously avoid repeating mistakes. You may have experience of trying to achieve an outcome and failing on multiple occasions. This may have been due to an inability to adapt your approach after each failed attempt. The model itself has 4 steps, and we will review each one in turn. Step 1 is you do something, and it doesn't actually matter what it is you're doing. It could be something like making a sales pitch, applying for a promotion, wiring a plug. Step 2 is you review what you did and you establish if it worked. If it did work, that's fine. That's the end of the model for you. If you were unsuccessful, you need to proceed to step 3. Step 3 is the evaluation stage. You need to evaluate why your action did not work, i.e. establish the reasons for failure. After that, you move on to step 4, and the model advises that you need to change your approach the next time to obtain a different result. So if you find yourself repeating past mistakes, you're not completing all steps of the Kolb learning cycle. And that's the value, to stop you from making the same mistakes. Let's review a practical example. So step 1, you do something. In this instance, let's say you attend a job interview. Then you go to step 2, you review the outcome. Did you get the job? If yes, all good, the process ends. If not, and you didn't get the job, then you move on to step 3. And this really is the heart of the particular model. So step 3, evaluate the outcome. There's a number of different ways you could do this. A few options might be to self-analyze what happened. Reflect on the process yourself. See where you think you may have gone wrong. Or alternatively, you could discuss the matter with a trusted person to seek a different perspective. And this can be very helpful to give you insights that you may have a blind spot towards. Or you could request feedback from the interviewer or the interviewers. They often can be very helpful at providing this type of feedback. And then you move to step 4, change your approach. What do you need to do the next time when you're attending an interview that was different than the first time? That concludes this micro lesson on the topic of Kolb's learning cycle. Thank you for watching.